What's up, guys? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. In this quick short video, we're going to show you how to stake HEX. All right, so you got a little HEX bag and you want to earn a yield from it now. So we're going to go ahead and stake some. So go to hex.com. All right, URL's down below in the video. And I'm going to go to the staking site. So all you got to do is click this button here that says stake. Okay, we're going to go here, and then you're going to want to make sure to connect your wallet. I'm going to click connect. You're going to verify your MetaMask. Okay, click connect, and it's going to pull up pretty much all of the HEX that you have in your wallet. And what I want to do is just stake it for 30 days. I've done a stake here for 30 days. I did 3,700 HEX yield, but this time, because of the rates are getting better, I think probably because the price is going down a little, I'm getting more T-shares. Plus, I have pretty much a lot more HEX that I've been dollar cost average and buying. So I'm going to pretty much stake the whole thing. Okay, max 846,000 HEX. And can I move this thing here? Okay, so we're just going to put 30 days from now. Okay, maybe if I move this over a little bit. Can I move my screen over? Okay, 30 days. Which is going to give me 13,000 HEX plus 477. So I'm going to get close to 14,000 HEX staking it for 30 days. So let's just pull up my calculator here quick. Okay, let's just pull up the calculator. And let's just say HEX stays at 8 cents, which I don't think it will. I think we pretty much hit bottom. I think it's just going to go up. Maybe it'll go back down to 7 or 6, but I don't think we're going to go much lower. We'll see how that plays out. But let's just say we got 13,962 bonus HEX, right? This is good. This is my yield. So after I serve my 30 days, I'm going to be getting out 860,000. I'm putting in 846, so I'm gaining 13,962 coins times 0.08 equals to about $1,100 in HEX. Okay, $1,116 in HEX if it stays at 8 cents. Okay, if it's doubled to 16 cents or 25 cents, you know, you basically just double this. You know, it could be 25, it could be $3,000. Who knows? But if all things go the same in 30 days, that's still an extra 1,000, you know, an extra of today's value, $1,016 in HEX into my account. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click stake. Okay, and it's going to cost you a little gas fee. Every time you do stakes and unstakes, it costs you a little gas fee. It's going to cost me, network is busy, gas prices are high, and estimates are less accurate. So it's going to cost me $6.54. I'm going to click confirm and let that process. And the staking starts the day after. So it says fully staked. And if we move this image over, I don't think it's going to show up right away. Maybe if I refresh it, it'll show as pending. It should show as pending. Not yet. I might have to pause this, but let's just click out on there. So, oh, here it is. It says it right here, pending. Okay, so new stakes start at the beginning of the next day. So I'll make a little recap video maybe in a couple weeks when this thing is halfway through, but it tells you right here, you started on day 906, May 25th, okay, and it's going to end on June 24th, okay? And when your stake is closing, you know, getting ready to end, the button's going to turn black, and that's when you end your stake and you can claim your money back to your wallet. All right, other than that, it's safe the way it is right here. And you want to make sure that you don't end stake early, because if you cancel your stake and you end it early, you're going to get basically a processing fee, a penalty fee for ending your stake early. Now we're going to get into this in other videos more in depth. I just wanted to make this video showing you how to stake it. Okay, so if I click this red one, it says, are you sure you want to cancel? You don't want to cancel. Okay. Basically, to not get a early cancellation fee, you have to serve pretty much at least half of your stake. So if you're staking for 60 days and you want to take your money out and get out in 30 days, you could do that with potentially avoiding any fees. Okay, it gets a little complicated, but most likely when you serve half of your term, you don't get any fees. But if you pull out after like 10 days or so, you're going to get fees, and those fees go to people who keep their promise of staking for 30 days if they said they're going to stake for 30 days and whatnot. But we're going to get into the ecosystem in other videos. There's a bunch of other videos out there that YouTubers are creating as well that talk more in depth about this. But I just wanted to kind of show you how to stake HEX. Super simple. So mine is pretty much going for the next 30 days. And that's pretty much it. All right, Tony here from Crypto Waters. And click the links below if you want to learn more about how to get into crypto, how to generate wealth, and actually get on this revolution of wealth creation. It's pretty cool stuff. And we are in a bear market now, so it's actually a good time to get into cryptocurrency during the bear markets because you're buying things on sale. I wouldn't buy every coin out there, but there's a lot of scams out there, but certain coins you want to get into. All right, Tony here. Like the video, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Thanks.